Have you ever turned on the TV to see what the weather was like?
Well, if you have, you may have noticed that the weather doesn't change too much day to day.
Also, if you recorded the temperature from the same day last year, I would bet it would be similar to this year's temperature.
Why is that?
That's because of climate.
Climate is the usual predictable pattern of weather over many years.
The further away you get from the equator, the colder your climate will be.
This is because the sun hits the equator with direct rays while places of higher latitudes get indirect rays.
Winds also play a big effect on climate. They move in a circular motion around the globe. As the sun hits them, the winds warm up.
Although, not all winds are the same.
There are northeasterly and southeasterly winds, which are called the trade winds.
Just above and below the trade winds, which are in the middle of the globe, lie the westerlies.
Even further above and below that lie the polar easterlies.
Ocean currents play a part in climate too.
Wind blowing off of warm or cold ocean currents affect the climate around the current.
Every few years, either El Nino or La Nina occur, causing odd weather patterns around the world.
Rain even has an effect on climate. The more rain, the more humidity.
Humidity is the moisture in the air.
Aside from that, there are 5 major climate zones.
Tropical, which consists of hot, humid air and weather. Dry, which has little moisture and rain, but lots of sun.
Mid-latitude, which is hot in the summer and pretty mild in the winter. High latitude, which is cold all the time.
Lastly, highland climates don't have any distinct features between them.
Although it might seem complicated, if you really think about it, it'll make sense.